Hey guys, Chef Jason Race, hardware grilling expert. Today's recipe is all about peaches on the Big Green Egg. We're gonna give them a little bit of sweet, a little bit of heat, and a lot of Big Green Egg. So let's head out and get the grill started first, then we'll get back in here and get our work done. We went ahead and refreshed the charcoal. We've added our Speedy Light in here, and now we will get this fully ignited. We'll allow this to burn out, which takes about 7 minutes. Once that's done, we will come in and get set up. We'll adjust the top and the bottom, add our grill grate, and get ready for direct cooking today. The Speedy Light has gone out, which means time to get to step number 2. So we're gonna go ahead and set our grill grate in here. We're gonna close the dome, adjust the top and bottom vents now to maintain that temp, 350 degrees. Ingredients starting off today, we've got some of those beautiful, beautiful peaches, and you know when they are in season, they are absolutely amazing. We have a little bit of olive oil today. That's going to act as kind of a little bit of a release agent from the grill, a little bit of a binder for the brown sugar, cinnamon, and then, you know, we have a lot of different rubs available at your local Ace. Today we're using our Ace exclusive Zowie. The great thing about this, we're giving it sweet and we're giving it some heat. First thing I want to do is go ahead and get the topping done. So we'll add our brown sugar to the bowl. We will add our cinnamon in there as well, and then a little bit of that Zowie. Then we'll go ahead and mix this up, set it aside, get ready for the peaches. Now that we have the Big Green Egg heating up, we need to do a little bit of our prep. So first thing I want to do is I want to make a little flat spot here on each side of the peach, because what's going to help not roll around is that flat spot. Then we'll cut this right down the center like so. We'll go ahead and just give it a light twist. Now we'll get in here with a spoon and we'll just take those pits out. All right, we've got all the pits taken out. And hey, guess what? As you can see, things don't always go as planned. And if you break some of them in half, don't sweat it, because they're still gonna be delicious and work just fine. Now, we'll go ahead and lightly baste these with a little bit of olive oil, and then time to head out to the egg and make sure we are all set. So we're preheated 350 degrees. We'll go ahead and lay these pit side down just so we can get some grill marks. And we'll let these guys go for about 3 minutes or 4 minutes or until we get to that desired doneness. So we're looking for some grill marks and we're looking for a little bit of color. Now that we've got them loaded, let's go ahead and shut the lid and we'll let these go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check in on these right at that 3-minute mark. We'll go ahead and burp the egg, open that up, and let's see where these are sitting at. Like we said, 3 to 4 minutes. We're going for a little bit of color on there, a little bit of char. Let these go another minute, right? A little bit more on there. Here we are at the 4-minute mark. Let's give these a check. I think we're good to go here, right? All right, now we're gonna go, oh, look at that. We're gonna go ahead and flip these over now, and you'll see why we made that little slice on that one side, because guess what? They now sit flat. We don't have to worry about them rolling around. Well, almost all of them sit flat, except the ones I broke. So we'll get these guys flipped, and then we're gonna go ahead and start adding our brown sugar Zowie mix to the top of these, just to get a little bit of sweet heat added to them. All right, now that we have that last little bit of Zowie brown sugar mix on there, we'll go ahead and shut the dome. We're gonna let these cook for about 3 minutes, and then we'll be ready to take them off. Here we are right after 3 minutes, and oh my word, look at those. We are done. It is time to take these off, get them onto a pan, and then guess what? You know, I'll see you in the kitchen. Grilled peaches on the Big Green Egg, little bit of sweet, little bit of heat. Now, I wonder what I could do with these. We'll show you that coming up next. Now that we have the peaches and we've identified we're gonna use a little bit of ice cream, let's show you how to build this amazing dessert. So I'm gonna go ahead and load a couple peaches in a bowl, just like that. Make sure we save all of that amazing topping that goes in there. And we'll go ahead and add that ice cream in like so, and then check it out. We're gonna add a little bit of fire honey over the top of this. Now, just to absolutely add that beautiful finishing touch, right? And then, well, we had a little bit of leftover this, so we'll go ahead and sprinkle that on. Cheers. Not too shabby at all for a great summertime dessert. Now, if you're looking for something that goes amazing with dessert, stay tuned, because coming up, I'm gonna show you how to do dual zone steak cooking on the Big Green Egg. That coming up next